Hello, my lovely financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And it's Taco Tuesday. Let's taco about some savings. Today, we're serving up a triple decker of savings challenges that'll add some flavor to our financial journey. We're stuffing our Taco Tuesday challenge because who doesn't want a side of savings with their tacos? Our Life of a Pig Who Loves to Save But Likes to Spend challenge, Keeping It Real. And our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories Instead of Things challenge. Let's wrap up these savings like a perfectly folded tortilla and get this fiesta started. Let's see how much we have available to save today. And we may need to use our calculator. So let's see, we've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. And then we've got our twos. So we're going to make this easy. I'm going to count them out and multiply by 2. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's another $100 for 300. And our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have $318 available for us to stuff for our Taco Tuesday. Of course, we are going to start out with our Taco Tuesday challenge. Ooh, we lost our IOUs. So far, you guys, we have not needed an IOU, and I'm proud to say that. Aren't they cute, though? They're a little taco themed. All right, and today is Tuesday the 18th. So we are going to use our avocado colored lime green marker. And we're going to save 18 because today's the 18th. All right, so we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're going to set this to the side so it can dry. And let's see how much we have saved total for Taco Tuesday. All right, we've got 50, 70, 80, 85, 80, 95, 100. So we can put a placeholder there. 1, 2, 3. So let's get that placeholder. We have a $100 placeholder right here. So now we've got 103. And we are going to put this $100 into our surplus reserve binder after we include an entry. So we're going to add another item here to 18 Taco Tuesday. And we're going to say we're adding $100. And now this 5 is going to become a 6. Now let's get this money into the respective envelopes. We've got a 50, 20, a 10. So that's $80 that we just put in here, and a 5. And we've got $20 in 5s. That makes our 100. All right. We are doing great. $103 already, and it's only the second month of the year. Now, time for a little savings fun. We're going to jump into our Life of a Pig Who Likes to Save But Loves to Spend challenge. And we're going to go on ahead and, as always, take this page out. And today we are going to scratch 3 of the scratch offs. So let's see. We're going to do this one here. So that's $4. So we've got 2, 4. We're gonna do this one here, and that's 5. And we'll do this one here, and that's 2 more. So we've got 5, 7, 9, 11. We've got $11. So we can put these here and do like this. And let's turn ourselves over here. We are going to save another $10 on this side. So I'm gonna go on ahead and swap this for 20, and let's get coloring. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do one of these hearts for $5. We're gonna do the hands for $3 and one of these stamps for $2. All right, and there we go. We got it all colored. Let's pop this back in there because we've saved a total of 5, 6. We should not have done this one, so I'm gonna owe another $1. So that's 5, 10, 11. So yes, I did. I colored an extra one. I guess I was just too happy to do this one. So we've got $11 along with the 11. So now we've got $22 to add to this challenge. And let's see how much we have saved total. Let's pop this back in here first. We've got 200, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So we are going to swap these for one of our 5s here. So we've got $246 in our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. And our next challenge is our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories Instead of Things. We are going to do 3 of these. So let's do this one here. Okay, and we've got 7. And we'll do this one here. We've got 3. So we'll put this back and get a 5. And then we are going to do this one here. And that's another 3. So now we're at $13. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2, 1, put these 2 5s back and get a 10. So now we've got $13. And now over here, we are going to save $19. And the way that we are going to do this is we're going to do 7 and 7 makes 14. And then we're going to do this one to make 9. So 14 plus 5 is $19. So let's get coloring. All right, and since we're doing $19, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this 1 and do the 20. So now we've got $32 for this challenge total. And let's see how much we have collectively. So we have 50, 70, 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, $86. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will keep this here and get a 5. So now we've got our $86. Well, my fabulous financial fashionistas, we've made it rain like hot sauce on a taco. Our challenges are stuffed fuller than a supreme burrito, and our savings goals are looking extra spicy. From our Taco Tuesday funds to our memory collecting pig challenge, we're proving that money savings doesn't have to be planned. Remember, life is like a taco. It's all about how you feel it. Don't forget to give this video an extra little thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to join our savings fiesta. Drop a comment below and let me know, what memories are you saving for? This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And until next Tuesday, keep letting those savings stack higher than a pile of nachos. Shall ya? Bye for now.